Hello, hello, my amazing artists. Today we are going to be making a collaborative quilt mural using geometric shapes and bright colors that's inspired by Peruvian textiles because we're celebrating the Hispanic Heritage Month. All right, let's get started. This is an example of what your project could look like when you're done. The first thing that you're going to need is a square of colored paper. I've got some bright colors set out for you that you can choose from. Pick one to start. I'm going to choose bright orange. Yes. And then you're going to need to grab a pencil, maybe an eraser, and definitely a ruler because we need to make some straight edges today, or straight lines. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is look at your paper up and down like it is a diamond. Not a square like this, but a diamond. That's good. Alright, I'm going to draw in Sharpie pen just so that I can see better. You can see better on the video, but I still want you to use a pencil. We're going to take our ruler and we're going to line it up carefully from here, the top point, to the bottom point. Hold down your ruler nice and tight so you make sure it does not move on you. Double check before you draw your line. And you're going to draw a line that goes up and down. Now, if you want to do this on the back, just so that you can have a whoops-a-daisy, a mistake place, that's fine. And then you're going to start adding lines that connect from here to here. Let me show you what I mean. You could decide to have lines. Oops. Let's zoom in a little so we can see a little bit better. All right, we're going to have the lines. See, here's my first up and down line. That's going up and down, or what's another name for that word? Vertical. Up and down vertical, down the diamond. And then we're going to take lines that go from the right point and connect to the center. We're going to have lines that come from the left point and connect to the center. Now these lines can line up and touch, or they don't have to. So you can see an example here and an example here. Do not draw more than 6 lines on each side, or else the spaces tend to get a little too small. Let's see this in action. I'm lining up the left corner, bringing it to the center, and from the left corner to the center. There we go. I'm going to make another line. Maybe one more line. They all go from that left point to the center. Now this one, I don't want the lines to all line up. I'm going to start from the right side to the center. The right side to the center. Let's see, I want one here. And I'm going to make, let's see, one more here. And you guys get the idea. All right. So I've made my sections of my project. Now let's talk about color. We're going to be able to use the construction paper crayons for today, or the brand new neon oil pastels right here. You can decide which ones you want to use for your project, but when you're choosing colors, I suggest that you flip your paper over and do some tests to see how these colors look on the color paper that you have chosen. That looks good here. Oh, the pink doesn't show up as much as I thought, so maybe I don't use that. I'm going to try some neons. Once I'm happy finishing my colors, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color in about half of these sections. I still want to see a lot of the paper color that I chose. What does this look like? Well, here's an example again from before. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 spaces. And I only colored in half of them, which is about 7, which is 7. I colored in 7 spaces with different colors. All right. I hope you have fun coloring in and making this Peruvian quilt project. And when we're finished, we're going to display it together as a school. Have fun, my most amazing artists.